Hello again everybody, this is the part 2 of our Kutsinta cooking video. Just like what I mentioned in the first video, I'll be giving you my recipe notes. Let's start! If you are using desiccated coconut, in a bowl add about a quarter cup of water to half a cup of desiccated coconut and mix really well. Make it ahead of time, like 30 minutes earlier, so that it can sit for a couple of minutes to absorb the liquid. Make sure to mix it from time to time. Adjust the measurements as needed. You can replace the annatto powder with 3 drops of red food color. If you need to make more kutsinta, triple the amount of this recipe to about 30 to 36 pieces. That's it! Thanks for watching! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye for now! Bye!